Good night, everyone. Right now, I want to make some midterm test video with Sir Gatot class. So, I start my presentation, it will be good that I introduce myself first. My name is Heri Previs Tumeyang. You can call me Heri. My name is 240305040. I think that's all about my introduction. It doesn't have to be so detailed about my introduction, so let's go dive it into my presentation. Okay, uh, the first question that I will answer it is, which article did you choose and why? So the article that I choose is analysis on student vocabulary mastery of student hospitality in vocational high school for at 10th grade students in Jambi. Why would I choose this article? Because I think uh, the vocabulary mastery is so important to the students. Without vocabulary, it will be difficult for students to express their ideas and understand their text or communicate with each other. Okay, let's go into the next question. The next question is, what was the most important thing that you learned from the text you choose to read? So, from the article, I learned that vocabulary mastery plays a very important role for the vocabulary in students. The research shows that the average score of student vocabulary mastery was 54.48%, which means their ability is still in the good enough category. This result made me realize that many students still have difficulties while they study vocabulary. So, the study also explained the lack of motivation and enthusiasm in learning English is one of the most main causes of the problem. From the point, I understood that vocabulary should not only focus on memorizing, but also encouraging students to practice and use the new vocabulary that they didn't know. Okay, let's go into the next question, the last question. The last question is, what additional thought or questions came to mind as you were reading and thinking about this article? So I think while reading this article, several questions came into my mind because I started to wonder what kinds of teaching methods that effective to give the students make them to want to study vocabulary effectively. So, for these in vocational schools who need English for specific purpose, like hospitality, I also thought about how teachers can make vocabulary learning becomes more interesting and connected to the students. For example, by using the role players or digital learning tools that simulate real hospitality settings. In addition, I become curious whether student motivation has a strong influence on their vocabulary mastery. Since this article mentioned that many students were not enthusiastic about learning English. I think that's all about my presentation. Thank you for listening, and I'm sorry while I make some mistake in my video. I think that's all about it. Thank you and good night.